So welcome to my LEGO review of my first Chima set. And this is Rascal Glider. And this is set, I think, 7 million. I think it's 7 million. And yeah, this is the thing it's got. Let's go with the minifigure. It only has one minifigure, Rascal, and he's pretty awesome. Here's Rascal. A little bit far away. So you can't see his face good. You can see his eye and you can see his face, and he's got a double-sided face, and his other face is pretty crazy. So his eyes are kind of bloodshot. And also, he's got this crazy back thing right there. Got his heart protector thing, whatever that is. And now on to the next. So he's got this big giant bird thing. It's a glider, and stand back, everybody. Just shoots out that thing. That's the only feature, so I don't like that. Let's go these two things right there. That. It's got this nose and a bone, wings on the bottom. There's nothing with his feet, and it's got this piece, this crazy crystal piece. You can see right there. And so anyway, still is messed up. I need some water just like I want some. And bye-bye.